This will be a how-to guide on how to set up an alarm, and that would be, we're going to go for this purposes here is a dual state or tri-state alarm on a PSM. So from this page right here, we can go to our core software. We want to be under devices, so we can select that here on the left-hand side, or we can use icons, configuration, devices. So we can select, so create a new PSM, which is what I'm going to do. Or if you have an existing one over here, you could select it and hit edit. So for this one here, we're just going to go PSM, give this a name. Now then I'm going to go to monitoring points. And then I'm going to select this add new alarm. And we can call that maintenance. And I can select my mode, right? So my dual state for these purposes. There's another video that goes over these ones with reasons on clear and acknowledge. You can watch that. For this one here, we're just doing dual state or tri-state. So dual state, so that would give us a set and then a clear. So that would be maintenance. It's just going to be a dual state set clear. We can add a new alarm by going back to the root, clicking on that, give it a new name. Team lead. Then we're going to do this one as a tri-state. So now I have my team lead and my maintenance alarms. One's a dual state, this one's a tri-state. Once you have all that completed, basically save and exit. This is a new module. You can just configure it when you need to. Otherwise, if it's an existing one that you added these to, you'll need to go to your device status. You need to update that. This concludes our how-to on adding an alarm to a PSM. And look forward to talking to you again.